Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add memes to your video in Capcut. So if you want to add a meme video to your video in Capcut, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need to first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. If there's an update, go ahead and update it. While that is updated, you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Here, you want to go ahead and search for meme videos. So here we have a website where we can download the meme videos. So we'll go ahead and browse through these and download the video. So for example, this one here, we'll go ahead and download this. Now, once you've downloaded the video, press home. Now you want to go back to Capcut and you want to open that app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on new project. Take a video, for example, this one here. Now here, I want to go ahead and add that meme video. So we'll go ahead and tap on overlay, add overlay. We'll go ahead and choose that video and tap add. So as you can see, the video now has been added. You can go ahead and choose it where you want it to be. You can use the zoom in feature to zoom in. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and press play, and that meme video will now be added to your video. From the bottom here, you can go ahead and move it anywhere you like. And when you press play, that meme video will appear and will show you. So there you go, guys. That is how to add a meme video to your videos in CapCut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.